James, hi babe. It's your wife and baby mama. I could write a million letters about you, but today, I'm writing this one on our wedding day. I love you. I love the person you are, the dad you are becoming, and the life we share. So many more memories, laughs, and babies. I love you, Alexa. Alexa, I'm so looking forward to what we get to do today. I think it's so perfect that we get to do this on this weekend with this weather, with all these people around us, and I just cannot wait to keep doing life with you.
This weekend marks so many wonderful things going on for us. Our close and loving family support, our beautiful daughter and the joy she brings to our life, and our love for each other. I already know how fondly we will look upon this weekend when it is all far in the past, and I can't wait to see how beautiful you look. You're an amazing woman, Alexa. I am the luckiest guy. Love, James.
It is my pleasure to welcome you to this celebration of marriage. And it's probably no secret to any of you that Alexa and James have been legally married for about 1.5 years already, and they're well on their way to growing their new family. Well, obviously, since these guys are already married, today is not a typical wedding ceremony. We're approaching this as a celebration of marriage. We're approaching this as a celebration of a young family.
Alexa, I love you, and I believe that God has brought us together and will give me the ability to love you with an unselfish and growing love.
I promise to love you consistently and be a source of encouragement and support to you. I promise to be faithful to you in both good and bad times. I trust you to care for me as my husband.
And I trust you to care for me as my wife.
Okay, James, you may kiss your bride. It gives me great pleasure to present to you officially, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. James and Alexa.
and James, you have an amazing bond. You guys are a power couple who have a lifetime of amazing memories ahead. That include me. I love you both so much, and here's to forever together.
In the now 7 years that I have known James, our cast of characters has developed, new ones have been added, and the plot has arced magnificently in less time than any of us could have possibly imagined. Congratulations on your marriage as you both begin this journey, and to Scarlett for being the luckiest kid in the world for having two parents like you. Congratulations.